I recommend to watch the entire video if you want to make some money online. Today I want to share with you this website, socialbounty.co. You can find the link in description, where you can make money just by downloading apps and doing little stuff. For example, as you can see, here is my dashboard. I have already earned $25 just to get in, just to sign up myself. I've just earned $25. And then you can earn from $20 to $50 every time that you do some surveys or you download some apps. Because as you can see here, just downloading this coin dozer, for example, and reach the level 25, you can earn $20. And you can do this with a lot of other apps and a lot of other stuff. Then you can just play games, you can just download apps. And then, for example, with this app, Battery Saver Android, you will save your battery, you will get more speed, and then you will also make $40. This is an incredible amount of money. And for example, if you go here on the dashboard and then on video proof, you can see videos review from people that have already got money and they have already used this website for a long period of time. So you can see people that share their experience. And then if you go, for example, on chat, you can see that all people are chatting on this website. So you can ask information to other people, maybe how you can make more money, or how you can get more clicks, or how you can download more apps. You can ask information and engage with other people right here. And also, if you go here on payment proof, you will see that there is a lot of people that earn a lot of money just by simply downloading apps and answer to surveys. And then if we go back to the homepage, we can see that if we go here, we can easily have an idea about the earnings. So if you want to share this website with your friends, you give them your link and you will make $10 every time that someone of them will sign up on this website. And then for every click that you get, you earn $2. That is an incredible amount of money for just a click. And then every time that you download a new app, it's $20. Every time that you complete a survey, it's $30. And if you want to create some YouTube video reviews, you can earn until $50. And as you can see here, you can see people that earn incredible amount of money. Watch this right here, $130,000. It's incredible. This is 92,140. It's an incredible amount of money, and you can get traffic from whatever you want. If you're good with Facebook ads, you can share your link on Facebook ads and run some traffic. If you have a lot of people on WhatsApp, you can simply share this with your friends and send them to this link. If you have an incredible Twitter following, you can tweet about this website and have a lot of people that opt in with Twitter. And then the same thing, you can do it with Pinterest, Google Plus, and also Instagram. For example, from your personal profile, and even if you have a page on Instagram, you can promote maybe some apps that are related to your page, and then you will make a ton of money. For example, watch this right here, FIFA 19. If you have an Instagram page around FIFA, around football, you can promote these two offers, you can promote those two offers, and then you can make $80 for every single follower that you have. And you think it's an incredible amount of money. And click the link in the description so you will find this website and you can log in and make a lot of money. And if you wanna make $100 a day with Facebook pages, watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how you can do it. I see you there.